Alright, here we are, 9-5, 3-box break. Prestige, Prime, and Timeless. Last break of the night for eBay auction. Here's our list. Apologize for that. Do start over here. There we go. Start off with Prime. 6. All cards go out for Prime and Timeless. No base go out for the Prestige box, but all the hits, rookies, and inserts go out for that. Here we go for Prime. We have a Colt McCoy, $4.99 for the Browns. Next hit, or next pull, we have a John Brody for the Niners, $4.99. Next card, we have a CJ Spiller, $4.99 for the Bills. And our hit is a redemption. Rookie Signature Silver, $2.09. Let's see who that is. It's a Roy Halu Jr.
Arizona,
Who?
right?
Kirkpatrick? No, Cincinnati. 209. Roy Halu. Very nice. That goes to Treeway. Alright. Next, Timeless Treasures. We'll unpack. I will show the numbering for the treasures after I show all the cards. There we go. We have a Dick Butkus for the Bears. Jamal Charles, Chiefs. We have a Hamburger insert for the Redskins. And our first hit is a Ahmad Black for the Bucks. And that goes to Mowerman. Next hit is a Peyton Manning jersey. Goes to Shrimp. And the last hit is a Mark Sanchez jersey. And that goes to Family Time. Sanchez is the 250. Peyton Manning, 250. Ahmad Black, 463. The insert, those are not numbered. And we have Charles and Dick Butkus, both to $4.99. Alright. Last box for the 3-box, we have Prestige 2011. $24 packs, 4 hits, guaranteed. No base go out. Rookies hits inserts. There we go. You notice the base has the gray here at the bottom. I will go through these quickly. Filler, Kyle Rudolph rookie. Base. Filler, Reggie Wayne, Greg Jennings to the Colts. Jimmy Smith, the rookie. Base. Approved rookie, Christian Ponder. The Vikings, that one's numbered to 100. Filler, Prestigious Pros, Beanie Wells. Von Miller, rookie. And base. We have a Hankerson, rookie, $9.99. A Claiborne variation rookie, and a Baldwin rookie. Nice. We have a Martez Wilson draft. Curly, a rookie. Filler. And we have a McNabb Moss. DeMarco Murray, a rookie. Filler. A McFadden, extra points, 250. Tawan Jones, rookie. 3D base. Filler. Clinton Portis, prestigious pros. Quentin Carter, rookie. Filler. Prestigious pros. Kenny Britt, Royster, rookie. Vaughn Miller, rookie. $9.99. Ryan Mallett. Tandon Doss, $9.99. And Blaine Gabbert. Torrey Smith, rookie. John Baldwin, draft. Jake Locker, rookie. Ooh, got a nice Dwayne Bowe preferred jersey. You don't see a lot of the preferred ones. Here's the family time, 250. An Adamaka Sue, rookie review, and a Doss. Kenny Britt, extra points to 50. Greg Jones, rookie. Torrey Smith, rookie. $9.99. J.J. Watt, variation rookie. Nice. And a Shields rookie. Assured rookie, actually. And a DJ Williams, rookie auto for the Packers. $2.99. That goes to Jeebers, Cooley, and Ridley. Carter rookie. Base. We have a Reggie Wayne Stars, a Whalen rookie. Jurgen rookie. Torrey Smith draft. Christian Ponder approved. Taylor Sash rookie. And a Tim Tebow rookie review jersey. It goes to Punchy. No number on the rookie reviews. These are Deshaun Jackson and Jaquez Rogers. 2-pack figure. Filler. Brandon Marshall, red, 200 for the Dolphins. Jamal Charles insert. Sturdivant, rookie. Von Miller, helmet auto, very nice. Very nice hit for Punchy. Punchy got a Miller auto rookie helmet and a Tim Tebow jersey. Very nice. No number there. Harbin and Williams. Alright, that's going to do it for a 3-box break. Appreciate you guys for joining.